I think that Revit came into my life at absolutely right time. I'm super happy with the work culture here. It is a perfect blend of meaningful work and fun, and exactly of what I had dreamt my workplace would be. I'm proud to say that I'm the first intern of Revit, and it felt like a feather in the cap when I was taken on board as a full-time employee. Couldn't have asked for a better start to my career in the field that I'm completely passionate about. I feel very happy and secure and ready to take off with Revit.
Working with Revit has been a game changer. Being associated with Revit and RBI is like wearing a badge of honor. I wouldn't lie, but when I joined Revit, I did brag about it online to make few of my friends and ex-colleagues jealous. The work happening here has been phenomenal. And also the social quotient behind it, when you get to know that you will be directly contributing to the upbuilding of the nation, it makes working here all the more exciting.
I think for me, Revit is a collaborative partnership between a public and a private sector for the nation building process. And this was my motivating factor to join this institution.
Working in Revit has been exciting, and I think it sums up my whole experience. The culture is very unique. In my past 1 year of working with Revit, my learning curve has been extremely steep, and I'm getting new opportunities to learn every single day.
Working in Revit gives me an opportunity to work with RBI, that is, India's central bank. It also gives me an opportunity to work in public sector domain and understand Indian banking. Working in public sector domain gives immense satisfaction at the end of the day, just by knowing that this is my bit towards my nation in my own way.
Talking about my journey, it's been a year and a half since I'm associated with Revit, and it has been an incredible journey for me. Also, working for a subsidiary of RBI itself is a proud feeling.
Revit has made me believe, no matter how hard the problem statement, the right attitude and the right team, we will win.
The most exciting experience for me would be when I was a part of RBI user training conducted pan India. Most of the participants over there were quite senior to me, and it was quite gratifying that I got to learn a lot from them. But at the same time, I was able to return their gesture when I was taking them through their entire application's users and features.
One of the most unique experiences that within a month of my joining, I was part of the first Revit offsite, which was held in Lonavala. There were a lot of fun and amazing games put up by the One Revit team. And as part of these games, I was given a task to propose a futuristic project that I would like to complete by the year 2020. While this offsite happened in 2018, during this exercise, the project that I thought and proposed was implementing an information security management system and achieving the certification as per the international standard for information security, which is the ISO 27001 standard. And very interestingly, what started as a thought, that too very playfully during one of these games, has now manifested into a reality, and the Revit information security management setup is certified as per the ISO 27001 standard.
Passionate on consumers' trust and security.
Young and dynamic.
Reassuring.
Positivity.
Very employee friendly.
Learn without boundaries.
Nation first.
Cyber resilience and integrity.
Vigilance and discipline.
Integrity and collaboration.
Fun, knowledge and experience.
For me, Revit is trust and innovation.
Collaborators.
Unparalleled exposure to improved resiliency.
Talent pool.
Diversity and inclusion.
Empathetic.